Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to say, I know I haven't really been active this month. My doctor was changing my prescription for my anxiety and depression stuff. And I finally got it under control. That's a clean sponge, by the way. It's just wet. And this morning, I am finishing canning some Chow Chow. You can look it up. I'm canning it. I had canning salt on this in my refrigerator, and oh my gosh, my refrigerator smells like onions. This is cabbage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, jalapeno, onion, and green tomatoes. I'll link the recipe I'm using to can. That's like just stuff I'm getting out of the way. And I moved that because that wasn't clean. There's the lids. And there's the mixture I'm going to put this in. Sugar. And all that. Let's see. Here, this is what it's called. My mom had a recipe, but I didn't feel like waiting for hers. I'm going to go really slow. Okay, where's the address? Let me see if I can find it. I think that's it right there. And it's white. Taste of Southern. There we go. Find it online at Taste of Southern. And you could, if you want to make like a lot. This is going to make 7 pint jars. Which my pint jars are in here. That's Eric's stimulation swing, so he could. These are the jars I'm going to use. I've already sterilized them, and those are potatoes. I was thought about canning in those jars. I haven't been. It's a dreary day today. My plants are doing pretty good. Look, I got a little baby. This is where I put them before I put them up here. If you see. This, if anyone knows anything about these, let me know, because I think it was overwatered in the other planter because it had mud in the bottom before I put it in this one. These are new. I grabbed these from outside the other day because the other ones had died, because I thought all the water had drained out because it's bottom watering, and I re-put water in it, and it was overwatered. They died. And there's another set that when they get big, I'm probably going to get another hanging pot. But when they get big, because the way they look full is there's different little root systems. So this is looking good. These are looking great. I just wish they turned colors like the other ones. And fruit flies. I did not know you get fruit flies or some kind of little flies from plants in your house. I don't remember that when I was little, when my mom had them all. These are all my succulents. Another thing that happened this past month, since I haven't been on, is my brother went to his sentence last month, and they let him out on the 17th of this month. So we're back to getting calls and stressful situations again. And there's my string of pearls. All right. I believe they're the fatter ones. And then these other ones, I was told, are string of bananas. Somehow I ended up with both in one. So they're doing pretty good. And look at this. That's one of my diamond painting things I did. And these little, this is magnetic. And it falls to the floor when you don't do it right. And then in here, I've got some of this cleaned up, if y'all ever remember my new treadmill. And I'm making strawberries. Well, I'm not making them, they're growing. Like, I'm not personally, like, you know, sitting there making them. That's God. But, oh, and my exercise charts. And the cat stuff. I move those when I need them. But this will get cleaned. I got to get Jason to put this up. We're going to actually make a living room up here again. We're going to move that over to where the plants are. The plants are going to go in the other room. Anyways, and this light won't come on. So that's why we have the other one. Anyways, so now I just thought I would let y'all know what I'm up to. And I'll probably upload this today. Those are boiling. That's not quite simmering yet. It's supposed to simmer for 10 minutes. That's vinegar, so the house smells really good right now, let me tell you. I told y'all I was going to try to start doing some other stuff too. Yesterday, we had, let's see. Look, this is an organized refrigerator, let me tell you. This was supposed to be Jason's lunch. He didn't take it. I boiled 5 dozen eggs yesterday. I got to take those Cokes out of the carton because I hate them in the carton. And because I did so much yesterday, I bagged fresh broccoli and froze it. I bagged some cabbage and bagged it. This got all crazy looking again. So you're probably going to see updated. If I could find a way to put a tripod up without Eric taking it down in here, I will do a watch me clean and organize again, because somehow this got all messed up. But one thing you'll notice about my pantry is there's not a lot of junk food, if any. And look, these are actually really good. I could definitely recommend these. But yeah, it's all messed up. Everything's gotten crazy because I was like going through withdrawals from one medicine and getting put on another. So everything kind of got thrown to the side to see if it's boiling yet. Yep, it's boiling, so we got to put it on simmer. And then once I get done with all that, I have to find a place to, when I can all the vegetables, I got to clean this, fill it up with water, get it to a boiling point, and then put the cans in there to do their thing. But let me clean up as I go. That's my favorite part about all this. And I got to throw all those away because Jason tried to do pickles by himself. Oh, and I have a code for these people. This isn't like an ad or anything, but I have a link down below. I don't think it's a code. I think it's a link. But I'm going to try this. I've not tried it yet. You can see they sent it to me. And I did try another brand breakfast stuff, and I loved it, and I still have it. And I have a code for them too, USANA. They're down in the description. Yeah, everything's messed up. There it is, USANA. I gotta get a spot in the cabinet for them. So I'm gonna try this starting today, and then I gotta refrigerate it. It's got prebiotics, probiotics, green superfoods, and since I was sent this, it's gonna have a sponsored because I didn't pay for this and I don't want any problems. But it's got all these ingredients. I don't know if I could get a good. But I'll do a video on them once I try it. And I'll do a video with that and the USANA stuff, because that way it's fair. Because I only have to post on, I think, Instagram for them. But anyways. Yep. Everything's, those are all things that don't go in the dishwasher, but now they all got to go in the dishwasher or get cleaned again. So because of all this stuff, I hate when everything like that never really gets used on that side, but oh well. And Eric sounds like he's in a bad mood all of a sudden. Alrighty, 10 minutes of me just talking, and I will talk to y'all in a few. Oh, and I got a new thing for that, too. Oh, I didn't probably need to do this. Let me go get my little... I got a new thing for all my spoons. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, I hope I'm holding the camera right. I have the water boiling to get ready to put those in. I only made 6 jars. And then I'm going to get ready, because it's cold outside, to make some cabbage soup. Cabbage... potatoes, zucchini, celery, carrots. I did do this up here a little. Looks a lot better. This stuff right here is the USANA stuff. I found a spot for it. And there's a little cleaned up too. I gotta move the potatoes. And I did a little bit in here. The eggs are coming out today. And spinach, I'm gonna take some of that and freeze it. I'm gonna put this stuff in the crock pot so I don't have to cook anymore today. I might have to boil the whole chicken. In fact, I'm probably going to. I just have it in here to soften it up a little bit. So, all right, I'm gonna cut all this up and throw it in there. All right, final video I'm gonna piece with all this for today. I haven't added any chicken or anything to it yet. But it's got the potatoes, the cabbage, the tomatoes, zucchini, and seasonings. And these are still boiling, and I'm pouring sweat even though it's cold. They haven't started doing the boiling where I time it yet, so. All right, my spice cabinet. Okay, let me piece all these together and put it up. I don't know why I still have this on the counter. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Okay, I thought I was recording. Okay. I took 1 scoop of my Activated U Morning Complete Prebiotics, Probiotics, Green Superfoods, and Mixed Berry. I put 8 ounces of water in it. I think I'm going to add some ice to it. And give it a little bit of cold water. I'm going to open this up. I know you can't see me. There you go. Reach in the refrigerator. Grab a couple of ice cubes. I shook this up a minute ago on camera, I thought, and I didn't have it on. So, all right, now we're gonna sit this right here. I know this isn't a great video. All right, now mix it up with a little bit of cold water. I don't know if I could turn this around and show myself drinking it, but this is how much is in it right now. Look, it has, I'll at least drink it to the next thing. It tastes like Kool-Aid. And healthy for you without any sweeteners. I'll let y'all know how it goes. It's even got extra fiber in it, it says. And then once you open it, you have to put it in the refrigerator. So that's what I'm about to do. In fact, let me show you me putting it in the refrigerator. Let's put it down here with the spinach. All right, let me finish this and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.